So you want to grow your Pinterest account fast, but you have no idea where to begin? I hear you. I was there just maybe 4 years ago, but after months and months and years of trial and error, I now have concluded that there are certain elements that really do help level up your Pinterest strategy, especially in 2021, that helps you grow really, really fast, and that I implement all for my clients. So you are getting my exclusive Pinterest strategy growth hacks today on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. If you're excited for this video, give me a subscribe, hit the bell, like this video, comment below, do all the things to let me know that you are excited to dive in deep to my growth hacks. Okay, so really the number one thing that you need to do to grow fast on Pinterest is to implement SEO, search engine optimization. And by SEO, we mean keywords, we meaning all Pinterest marketers. So you need to implement keywords, long tail keywords, the right ones for your business throughout your profile and on all of your pins in order to have your pins rank in the Pinterest algorithm for your niche, and in order to start gaining those monthly views and having your pins indexed in the right places on the Pinterest algorithm. Something to note that's really important here and that will not help your strategy grow is keyword stuffing. Avoid at all costs keyword stuffing. All descriptions need to be read as natural language. All of your display name keywords should be also read seamlessly like natural language. Your profile sentence should be read as natural language too. And if you need a board description templates as well as pin description templates that are read like natural language, but that still allow you to implement the right keywords for your business, you can download my guides in the description box below for those. Step number 2 for actually making sure that you are growing it fast is to start publishing blog posts frequently and publishing fresh pins frequently as well. So Pinterest wants to be fed with new images all the time. They don't want you repurposing images. They don't want you repinning images. They don't want you using stock images. Limit the amount of pins that are from other people's content as well. You want to create your own content. It should be in your own style and it should be updated frequently. So you're always serving your Pinterest audience new ideas, new pictures, and fresh new perspectives. Step number 3, that's a really big growth hack, is to capitalize on trends every single month before they really start to take off. So Pinterest usually will take off a trend pretty frequently. Like some trends are obviously random, but like when it comes to seasonality, you can plan ahead for trends like those. So for Christmas, for example, if you want to do a gift guide, around December, check the trends tool, see when the searches gifts for her or gifts for him starts to pick up in the algorithm, and plan your content for right before the trend really does take off based on the previous year's trend report. I do this for my clients, or I encourage my clients to utilize the trends to really create their content. They find that it's been really helpful, not only for Pinterest SEO, but for Google SEO too. And it helps level up their overall traffic strategy, both on Google and Pinterest, to capitalize on trends every single month. Step number 4, if you really want to grow fast, is to create idea pins. You can create as many as one idea pin every single day, but I prefer to limit it to about one idea pin every single month, and that is because most of my client accounts are quite established. But if I was just growing an account from complete scratch and I was really trying to ramp up the monthly impressions or the monthly views, then I would absolutely be creating an idea pin every single day. The only catch with this is that they've got to be quality idea pins and they've got to provide tutorial-based ideas that people can then recreate and save for later and get inspiration from. And so creating idea pins consistently daily can be very time consuming and can be draining in terms of the number of ideas that you come up with, because you don't want to create idea pins with only one slide like I've been seeing a lot across the board. You need to create idea pins with at least 5 slides as part of the Pinterest best practices. Now, if you need a full tutorial on how to create idea pins to grow, I have a video all about that I'll link in the description box below as well. Step number 5 to growing fast on Pinterest, and this tip really does help increase monthly views, and that is to create video pins. So video pins have been getting a lot of traction on the platform in the last 1.5 to 2 years. They're being pushed in the algorithm quite a bit, not as much as the idea pins, but nonetheless a lot more than regular pins, standard pins. And so if you want to grow your monthly views really, really quickly and you want to start seeing some more clicks to your website, create video pins and publish those, because those really do help as well promote your overall strategy. If you don't know how to create a video pins properly for your business, I also have a video on that linked in the description box below. With that, write me a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give me a big like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Bye for now.